Umgubho we-January 8 statement wandulelwe usuku lokusungulwa kwe-ANC. Namhlanje ukhongolose ugubha iminyaka eli-112 wasungulwa. Khathi ethula inkulumo kulo mcimbi, umengameli we-ANC uthe emva kweminyaka engama-30 uhulumeni oholwa yi-ANC uluguqulile izwe kepha kusekuningi okufanele kwenziwe.
We have done a great deal, for instance, in the provision of grants. I don't know of any other country on our continent that has committed itself so much to 18 million people who receive grants, young and old, as well as an additional 10 million, if you like, who get grants of 350. And today, all those people are assisted and supported by our government. And I've already dealt with issues of water and electricity. Electricity is still a challenge, let's admit that. Load shedding is still a challenge, but we are going to solve a problem, your load shedding. We are bringing more and more megawatts onto the system.
I-ANC ibungaza iminyaka eli-112 nje yasungulwa, izwe libheke okhethweni kulonyaka. Umengameli weqembu uthi umlando wabo uyazisho, futhi uyisizathu sokuthi abantu baphinde bethembe iqembu ngevoti labo.
Look at our record in the last 30 years. If you like, you can look at it in a shorter period. You will find that the ANC has done well. It has the experience to do well. It has the leadership to do well. It has the structures. And it's not an organization yomkokotelo. Eshayelwe ngeipikiri recently. The organization eyempela.
Ukhongolose uya okhethweni nje sekuneqembu elicebuke kuwona okuyi-MK Party esekwa ngowayengumengameli uJacob Zuma. Nanku umlayezo wezimbangi nabamanqika ngeqembu okhethweni.
We are going to get into house to house, door to door. Izinja zisilindile futhi siyakuzo, comrades. Amagate avalwayo sizayawavula sikhambele le-African National Congress. Comrades, those ababhengumya comrades sizobavuselela ngoba bazokhala. Laba nkosikazi babhonile ngabhenywa siyabasizela ngoba vele bazokhala. Ngoba i-ANC izobuya embusweni njengoba ngokutshiwo ngo-1912. The ANC exists for it to hold power, to change people's lives and nothing else. For anything that you think ANC can be, you must know you don't belong here. So if you dream to think that the ANC will not be in power come 2024, you are in serious dreams. In fact, ikhanda lakho alisebenzi kahle. Comrades, all those who must go or who want to go, let's say to them, bahambe kahle.
I-MK Party bukeka iwuhlalisela ubhojozi ukhongoloso osukwini lawo lokuzalwa.
And want to call upon our soldiers to stand up and defend the gains of MK in this country.
Umgubho we-ANC we-January 8 statement uzobanjelwa eMbombela Stadium, eMpumalanga ngomgqibelo.